Okay, some highlights from GreatStockPicks.com, our live trading chat room on September 27th, which is a Friday. B-Turk, one of our all-stars, made a great call here. This is what DISCA looked like this morning. This is the opening candle. These are 2-minute candles. So put in the early high, then took out the high right there. You can see that red candle where sellers came in. B-Turk went ahead and called it long if it got to 84. Why can't I find? Oh, 84.19 with a stop at 84. As I scroll, look at that. There's a trigger. First pullback holds the stop, and then pretty much went quickly to 85.71, I think. 85.73 at its best. So a great call there. 19 cents risk, and it went up, I don't know, $1.60 or something. It's Friday, so I'm not taking the time to do all the math, but a great call by B-Turk. Big Ideas, another one of our all-stars. Again, you could HTZ. This was his call. Was beaten up yesterday, and so Big was watching it today. And the cool thing about it was he didn't do anything. I have to zoom in and because these moving averages. You know what? I might be able to fix that. There, that's a little better. Anyway, the cool thing was he didn't take this high of day break right here, which is kind of everyone and their mother thinks, okay, if it breaks this early high, it's going to rally. And look what happens. It pulls right back down. Instead, he waited till it really got some oomph, if you will. And then when sellers tried to come in here, when these sellers fail, there was more bang for our buck that way. Big Ideas called that long HTZ at 22.05 with a 21.93 stop. And if you're like me, you like them to work right away. And so that was a perfect timing there, 22.05. And it just kept climbing all the way up to 22. Again, I don't have it in front of me. Went to 20... I don't know where it went. It went up to this point here, 22.50. So almost a 50-cent move. But the beauty of it was the timing. Big Ideas, just great timing there. I called a different kind of play in First Solar today. Missed the initial run, but then when it came back down, I literally called it long right here at $44 even. Because you see that green line, that is the one of my favorite places to look for a turn. Plus, it had some price support. From the other day, resistance was 41, so could become support, plus my green line, plus the whole number. That was at least 3 reasons why I liked it there, and we got a nice 50-cent move from there. So it's nothing to brag about, really, but the entry was perfect. Again, we were never underwater in that one either. Yahoo made my watch list after the morning rally here. Had a really nice move, so whenever we have that, I put it on a watch list. And when Yahoo came back down, again, these green lines are important. I almost live off of them. I called Yahoo long at 33.18 right there with a dime stop. And it held the stop. It went pretty quickly up 20 cents, but it held the stop and ended up getting almost to the high of the day from 33.18. Got as high as 33.76. But again, we were green instantly, and if you use the original stop, you could get a nice move out of it. I only got a scalp, I got to be honest with you on that, because I usually take some and tighten my stop because I don't like to be underwater after making a call. But we had members that stayed in that and honored the stop and did much better than I did. But certainly worked well. And I had a couple shorts late in the day that made money, but they're certainly not worth necessarily bragging about. But overall, just a fantastic week. The teamwork in the chat room, as good as it ever was. Have a great weekend, guys. And we will see you guys on Monday. All right. Talk to you later.